Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Bitcoin Bulletin, where we dive into the latest news and trends that shape the world of cryptocurrency. Today, we're talking about a warning from one of the most influential voices in finance, Larry Fink, CEO and chairman of BlackRock. Larry Fink's annual letter to investors has made headlines with a surprising claim. The US dollar risks losing its status as the world's reserve currency to digital assets like Bitcoin. This raises some serious questions about the future of global trade, investment, and even the stability of our financial systems. Now, let's break it down. For decades, the US dollar has been the go-to currency for international transactions, backed by the country's economic might and military power. But Fink says that's not guaranteed to last forever. He cites an alarming trend: the national debt has grown at 3 times the pace of GDP since 1989. That's some serious debt growth. Fink also warns that mandatory government spending and debt service will consume all federal revenue by 2030, creating a permanent deficit. This is a recipe for disaster if left unchecked. And here's where Bitcoin comes in, an extraordinary innovation that makes markets faster, cheaper, and transparent. Sounds good on paper, but Fink is warning investors to be cautious. He says if investors start seeing Bitcoin as a safer bet than the US dollar, it could undermine America's economic advantage. But what about BlackRock's take on this? The world's largest asset manager has actually been making waves in the crypto space with its spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs. As of March 28th, BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETFs held a staggering $48 billion in assets under management, one of the largest institutional investments in cryptocurrency to date. And if that's not enough, BlackRock's traditional funds have also been buying into its Bitcoin ETFs. This is some serious muscle from a company with such significant influence over global markets. So what does it all mean? Well, Fink's warning may be more than just a scare tactic. It's a call to action. Bitcoin Bulletin will keep an eye on this story and bring you updates as more information becomes available. But one thing is certain: the world of cryptocurrency is evolving fast, and investors would do well to stay ahead of the curve. That's all for today, folks.